Are you ready to feel amazing? Do you have a busy life? Is it hard to find time for yourself? We all know exercise is important, but who has a whole hour for the gym? Good news! You can get fit in just 10 minutes. Yes, you read that right. Short workouts can make a big difference. Let's do this. Warm-up time. Let's get started. Warming up is crucial before any workout. It prepares your body for the physical activity ahead and helps to prevent injuries. By gradually increasing your heart rate and circulation, you loosen your joints and increase blood flow to your muscles. This makes your muscles more flexible and ready for the workout. Before we start, let's warm up our muscles. Warming up prevents injuries and enhances performance. It's like waking up your body and telling it to get ready for action. A good warm-up can also improve your mental focus, making you more prepared for the workout ahead. It also helps you get better results. When your muscles are warm, they are more pliable and can perform better. This means you can push yourself harder and achieve more during your workout. Plus, a proper warm-up can help reduce muscle soreness after your workout. We'll start with some light cardio. Light cardio exercises are a great way to get your heart rate up and your blood flowing. This prepares your cardiovascular system for more intense exercise. You can start with a gentle jog in place or some light jumping jacks. This will get your heart pumping. As your heart rate increases, more oxygen is delivered to your muscles, which helps them perform better. Monitoring your heart rate can also help you ensure that you are working at the right intensity level. Try jumping jacks or high knees. These exercises are excellent for getting your whole body moving and increasing your heart rate. They also help to improve your coordination and balance, which are important for any workout. Do this for 1 minute. Next, we'll stretch. Reach for your toes. Stretching helps to improve your flexibility and range of motion. It also helps to reduce muscle tension and increase blood flow to your muscles. Swing your arms in circles. This helps to loosen up your shoulder joints and increase blood flow to your upper body. Arm circles are a great way to prepare your upper body for the workout ahead. Hold each stretch for 15 seconds. Take deep breaths. Deep breathing helps to increase oxygen flow to your muscles and can help to calm your mind. Holding each stretch for at least 15 seconds ensures that your muscles have enough time to relax and lengthen. Now you're ready for the main workout. With your body properly warmed up and your muscles stretched, you are now prepared to tackle the main part of your workout. Remember, a good warm-up is key to a successful and injury-free workout session. Let's get moving and make the most of our time together. Feel the burn cardio time. Welcome to our cardio session, where we will get our hearts pumping and our bodies moving. Cardio exercises are essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and today, we're going to focus on one of the most effective cardio workouts, burpees. Let's get that heart rate up. Cardio exercises like jogging in place and high-intensity interval training are fantastic ways to improve your cardiovascular health. These exercises not only strengthen your heart, but also increase your lung capacity, making it easier for your body to deliver oxygen to your muscles. Cardio is amazing for your heart and lungs. When you engage in regular cardio workouts, you help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower your blood pressure, and improve your overall endurance. Plus, the endorphins released during exercise can boost your mood and reduce stress. It also burns calories and helps you lose weight. By incorporating cardio into your fitness routine, you can create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Additionally, cardio exercises can help tone your muscles and improve your metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. For the next 3 minutes, we'll do some burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that combines strength training and cardio, making them incredibly efficient. They target multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and upper body, while also getting your heart rate up. Don't know how to do a burpee? It's easy. We'll break it down step by step so you can follow along. Remember, it's important to maintain proper form to avoid injury and get the most out of your workout. Stand with your feet apart. This is your starting position. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart and your body is relaxed. This stance will help you maintain balance and stability throughout the exercise. Squat down and put your hands on the floor. Lower your body into a squat position, keeping your back straight and your core engaged. Place your hands on the floor in front of you, just outside your feet. This position prepares you for the next step. Kick your feet back into a plank position. Do a push-up. With a quick motion, kick your feet back so that you are in a plank position. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body to the floor, then push back up to complete the push-up. Jump your feet back to your hands, stand up and jump. Bring your feet back to your hands in one swift motion, returning to the squat position. From here, explode upwards into a jump, reaching your hands towards the ceiling. This completes one burpee. If burpees are too hard, try jumping jacks or running in place. Remember to keep breathing. It's important to listen to your body and modify exercises as needed. Jumping jacks and running in place are great alternatives that still provide a good cardio workout. Keep moving, stay hydrated, and most importantly, have fun. Stronger everyday strength training. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on building strength and enhancing your overall fitness. Today, we will dive deep into the world of strength training, exploring its benefits, techniques, and exercises that will help you become stronger every day. Now it's time to build some muscle. Strength training is not just about lifting heavy weights. It's about improving your muscle endurance, boosting your metabolism, and enhancing your overall physical performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, incorporating strength training into your routine can bring transformative results. Strong muscles help you burn more calories. When you engage in strength training, your muscles work harder, leading to an increase in your resting metabolic rate. This means you'll burn more calories even when you're not working out. Additionally, strong muscles support your joints, reducing the risk of injury, and improving your overall stability and balance. They also make you stronger and more powerful. With consistent strength training, you'll notice improvements in your ability to perform daily tasks with ease, from carrying groceries to climbing stairs. Moreover, strength training can enhance your athletic performance, making you faster, more agile, and more resilient. We'll do 2 strength training exercises. First up, squats. Squats are a fundamental exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core. They are essential for building lower body strength and improving your overall functional fitness. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. This stance provides a stable base and ensures that you engage the correct muscles during the exercise. Make sure your toes are pointing slightly outward and keep your weight evenly distributed across your feet. Lower your hips as if you're sitting in a chair. As you descend, focus on keeping your knees in line with your toes and avoid letting them cave inward. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as low as your mobility allows. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Maintaining a neutral spine is crucial to prevent injury and ensure that you're targeting the right muscles. Engage your core by pulling your belly button towards your spine and keep your chest lifted throughout the movement. Stand back up and repeat. Do 10 squats. As you rise, push through your heels and squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement. Aim for a controlled and steady pace, focusing on form rather than speed. Complete 10 repetitions, and remember to breathe deeply throughout the exercise. Take a short break and catch your breath. Resting between sets allows your muscles to recover and prepares you for the next exercise. Use this time to hydrate and mentally prepare for the next challenge. Now let's move on to push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic upper body exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They are versatile and can be modified to suit different fitness levels, making them a staple in any strength training routine. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Ensure that your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core to maintain stability and keep your gaze slightly forward to avoid straining your neck. Lower your body until your chest touches the floor. Push yourself back up. As you lower yourself, keep your elbows close to your body to engage your triceps more effectively. Press through your palms to return to the starting position, ensuring that your body remains in a straight line throughout the movement. Do as many push-ups as you can. Challenge yourself to perform as many repetitions as possible while maintaining proper form. Push-ups are an excellent way to build upper body strength and endurance, so aim to increase your reps over time. If push-ups are too hard, you can do them against a wall. Great job! Wall push-ups are a great modification for beginners or those with limited upper body strength. They allow you to build strength gradually while still targeting the same muscle groups. Remember, consistency is key, and with regular practice, you'll see significant improvements in your strength and fitness levels. We did it! Now it's time to cool down. Cooling down helps your muscles recover. It also prevents soreness. Let's do some gentle stretches. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Take deep breaths and relax. Feel the tension leaving your muscles. You deserve this. Listen to your body. Rest is important. Working out is great, but rest is just as important. When you rest, your muscles have time to rebuild and get stronger. Listen to your body. If you're feeling tired, take a break. Don't push yourself too hard. It's okay to start slow and gradually increase the intensity. You did it! Celebrating small victories. Congratulations! You completed a 10-minute workout. That's something to be proud of. Every time you exercise, you're one step closer to your fitness goals. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every workout counts. Remember, consistency is key. Keep going. Making fitness a habit. You don't have to work out every day. Start with 2 to 3 times a week. Find an activity you enjoy. This will make it more likely that you'll stick with it. You can also work out with a friend. Having a workout buddy can help you stay motivated. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process and celebrate your successes. Join the movement. You've got this. You can achieve your fitness goals. Start with this 10-minute routine. You'll feel the difference. Remember to eat a healthy diet and get enough sleep. You've got this. Now go out there and crush it.